Hey guys, so consider this your 2021 update. Update of everything that's gone on since 2020 to 2021 now. Can't honestly possibly fill you guys in on everything that goes on in my life because it would be too exhausting. I don't have uh, the the team to do that actually because I would need somebody filming, somebody, and it's just me right now, guys. It's just me. I film, edit, upload, do everything by myself. Writing all the copy, everything. Like everything you see is all me. I don't have any outside help with this, so just be patient with me, grow with me. Where should we start this update? 2020? End of 2020? I'm in Miami, Trick. So I was trying to decide where to move. Considered Vegas. But my best friend who was staying with me had ran off on a trip to Miami. We're both in the same place, like in life. We're both like, what do we want to do next? We're just trying to figure out our lives at this point. Miami becomes the destination. Fast forward to January. Lease is ending. Places all packed up, doing the cross-country move. Cross-country moves are a nightmare. First few months in Miami, quiet, just setting up. Got a bike, I'm getting in shape, I got the pull up, going to the beach, you know what I mean? And then, so I basically traveled all summer. I was in New York every other weekend, all summer long, all through July, all through August. Even just now, I flew in today from Denver and was in Long Island before that. Now I'm back in Miami. So I've just been traveling a whole lot and just like bouncing around, going place to place. In July, my birthday, I got my dream car back. 2018 was a raid that took everything from my life. Like, they took me out of my dream apartment, they took me out of my dream car, they cut me off from my money, they tried to take my life from me, you know? Like 2 years later, I'm in such a I'm living in a better city on a higher penthouse floor, driving the same car that they tried to take from me. I just feel very grateful, humbled, to just be back at a place to reestablish myself, I guess is the best way to put it. I made it back to where I knew I could be. So now I can keep moving up and keep moving forward. I got the car that meant a lot to me symbolically, and who doesn't want to drive around South Beach in a hardtop Mercedes convertible? Like, come on now. Life is really good right now. I've just been traveling a lot. This new gig has me really able to have a lot of freedom. I've been approached for quite a few copywriting and writing gigs, which I'm really excited about. I'm kind of being like Goldilocks about taking the writing jobs, is because I want it to be the perfect one for me. I don't want to take it unless it's really my dream writing job. So I'm really happy because I'm in a place where my career is in a place where people, recruiters and headhunters reach out to me asking me if I'm interested in positions for big, huge companies, for senior positions, and that feels really great. So I feel great that I've established myself to that point in my writing career, and yeah. This is a happy update video, guys. I'm very grateful for life right now. Since I moved to Miami, it's been nothing but fun and growth and new experiences and new things and blessings, and yeah. My apartment's really cute. It's on the top floor, penthouse. Not floor-to-ceiling windows like I really want, but still, can't complain. We have a huge balcony with views of the city. We have a pool, we have a hot tub, we have an outdoor gym and an indoor gym. I have covered, private parking. We have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and both of our bathrooms have bathtubs, which is so crucial because we are both big bath girls. I have the best roommate ever. She's my best friend of 10 years, and we've lived together before. So just best situation ever. We make each other's lives easier, not harder. best person I could ever ask to live with, honestly. I call her mom and she calls me husband. So it's very we're a well-oiled machine over here. You know, I've gotten in better shape. I've been eating better. I have been exercising on the pole. I get out to the beach more. I, you know, just go outside more. I have a bike here now so I can go bike riding. And the weather just always inviting pretty much, unless it's so hot and humid that you just want to stay indoors. I had my first shark encounter out here, so I'm just happy. I'm happy with life right now. There are a lot of other things I want to accomplish and start. I look forward to sharing the journey with you and hopefully updating more and being less sporadic.